Greetings, YouTube, and happy Thanksgiving to you and all your families. It's a beautiful morning. Sun's coming up here in Georgia. It's a brisk, probably about a 40-degree morning. Deer were running around when I came out this morning. I did not get any on film, I'm sorry. As you can see, I came outside to greet the morning. Cars are whisking by. I didn't think there would be any traffic out this morning. That's why I came out front. But I guess everybody's traveling. I'm hoping Philly Mike and Drone Bum are having an awesome morning. I hope the sun's shining wherever you're at. You know, today is a day of thanks. We have to give thanks for what we have today. Like the captain said last night on his video he made. He said he was one of the richest men around. Well, Captain, sir, I believe I'm a little bit richer than you are. Morning, sir. You see, I have a YouTube family, 300 strong almost. MD 95 TSI, Crystal Justice, JD Quad, Drone Worship Dan. Bet you wish you were here rubbing the billy goat beard, don't you? I know you got to work today, brother. I'm thinking about you. You will be in my prayers before we sit down to eat. All the rest of it, Axomatic, Wakey FPV. It's a beautiful morning, that's why I keep looking over there. Sean Brooks, Mike Brooks. I'm thinking as I go. Blue Beauty, how you doing, friend? I know it's nice and brisk up in New York City this morning. So you can see it's a beautiful morning out here. Do a slow pan. Sun's not quite coming up yet. Crystal, some of the wrinkles have disappeared since you spoke to me. I hope. You know, there's a lot of people that don't have a roof over their head. There's some people that they don't have anybody to spend Thanksgiving with. I'm sure there's some people that might not even have anything to eat today. So before you sit down and gorge yourself, I'd like you to think about those a little bit less fortunate than you and myself. You see, I may have lost just about everything I had. But I have a YouTube family. They're strong, like a tribe. Each one of them warriors. And I love you, each one, very dearly. Cannot do without any one of you. All of you that help me out, there'll never be words for me to give to you. I thank you again. I can't thank you enough. You know, I said I was rich. I feel very, very blessed and very, I had a warm bed to sleep in last night. I'm gonna have a warm meal today. Some of the family will be coming over. Some of the family won't be coming over. It tears my heart out to see this family separated. All I asked for was to let the angst, let it be, just for today. I even offered to leave the premises, go somewhere else, so the family could be together. wasn't going to happen. It's sad. So those of you who are not here with us today, I hope you see my video. I want you to know I love each and every one of you dearly. Harley, Dakota, Lexi, Miss Wanda. Love you each dearly. I can't turn the love off that's inside of me, and there's no shame in my love. I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. May you all be blessed. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May He lift up His countenance upon you. May He give you all peace. Amen. Y'all know how to get in touch with me. Just holler. I'll have my phone on me. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing off.